So I'm Karen Tregaskis. I'm founding partner at Tregaskis Brown. I spend tremendous amount of my time working with various governance boards in the project program portfolio space. And the research has really proven, as we all know, good governance and boards add tremendous value to a project, and that it's directly linked actually into project success. So the workshop that I'm planning for the week of workshops is about unlocking the value of your project or program board. I can't wait actually, it's going to be a really fun half day. Planning to cover all kinds of topics from managing conflict, preparing well for the board, understanding the board's roles, lots of real life examples, and of course we'll have a room full of project professionals, so we'll learn a tremendous amount from each other as well. So the workshop will be a real mix of cool tips and techniques and some takeaway tools that people can put into practice straight away. Very, very practical way of putting things straight to use. Lots of interaction and discussion, lots of challenge and probing. And so probably come along prepared to really think about your own practice and to be challenged by each other. And I'm happy to be challenged too. It's going to be a lot of fun, I think. Yeah, lots of war stories. I mean, some of them are pretty funny, to be honest. I've got plenty of grazed knees and grey hair from getting it wrong and getting it right. So lots of stories that I'm sure other people relate to and not feel quite so bad when they've fallen over and grazed their own knees, actually. So Tregaskis Brown is a Wellington-based consultancy. Our strapline is strategy to action. We've been involved in the project portfolio program space for nearly 20 years now. We have spent a lot of our time helping organisations change. A lot of time in the investment management space, so getting your change investments right. Increasingly involved in wider sector, public sector and local government, and some big, large private sector organisations as well. So we're here to help people solve sticky problems, and that's what we love to do. I think our first involvement with CC Learning was early 2000s actually. It was almost when the company was formed, so this has been a very long-term relationship. A lot of our team have been through CC Learning training, and so it's fun to be part of this joint venture with CC Learning.